guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, you guys are welcome. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a slouchy hat. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. I'm going to be using a 3.5mm hook, and then I'm going to be using this Charity double knit DK weight yarn. So the recommended hook size is 4mm, but I'm trying to make mine warm and thick. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video, guys. So I like to pull my yarn from the middle. I just hope a big chunk doesn't come out.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna start off with a magic circle. It's either you can chain 4 and slip stitch into the 4th stitch, or you can do this method. So you do this, 2 fingers, close and hold. So basically, if I put it on the floor, we are making a cross like this. Okay, and just turn it upside down and chain, and then you're gonna chain 2 like that. And then in the circle, you're gonna make 12 double crochets. So you yarn over, insert your hook in the circle, chain, pull through 2, and pull through 2 again. Yarn over, insert your hook in the circle, pull through 2, then pull through 2 again, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2 again, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2 again. So we're gonna be repeating this for a total of 12 double crochets. So now I'm just gonna work 8 more double crochets in the circle. So I did make a total of 12. Now I'm going to close my circle by pulling the shorter string just to close it. Once that's done, we're gonna slip stitch into the first double crochet like that. Okay, so for the next row, which is row number 2, you're gonna chain 2, and then in the first space you're gonna insert 2 double crochets. So you're gonna be yarning over the same space, place 2 double crochets, or 1 double crochet to start off with, and then yarn over and insert another double crochet in that space. Yarn over, in the next stitch you're going to place 2 double crochets. That's what sorry, that's 1, that's 2 in the same stitch. In the 3rd stitch you're going to do the same, place 2 double crochets in the stitch, yarn over, that's 1, that's 2. So you're gonna work 2 double crochets in each and every single stitch until you have a total of 24. I'll meet you guys at the end. I am done. I have a total of 24, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So I have a total of 24 double crochets. So now I am done with that row. There is a bit of a space there, but don't worry about it. Just slip stitch over here. I don't know if you guys can see. So on top over there, just make a slip stitch. And then chain 2. So for row number 3, in the first stitch you are going to place 2 double crochets. In the next stitch you're going to place 1 double crochet. In the next stitch you're going to place 2 double crochets. In the next stitch you're going to place 1 double crochet. In the next stitch you're going to place 2 double crochets. And then the next stitch you're going to place 1. So from here it's a repetitive pattern. So I did 1, now I'm going to do 2, then 1, then 2, then 1, then 2. I'll meet you guys when I get to this point. I should be ending with 1 double crochet since I started with 2. So here it should be 1 double crochet. Okay, I'm at my last stitch. I told you should end up with 1, and that's what I have. So 1 double crochet and then slip stitch right on top. And then we're moving on to row number 4. Row number 4 you're going to chain 2. In the first stitch you start with 2 double crochets. In the next stitch you're going to place 1 double crochet. In the next stitch you're also going to place 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochets. And then 1 double crochet and another 1, and then in the next stitch you're going to place 2 double crochet. So the pattern here onwards, it's 2 1 1 2 1 1 2. So 2 double crochets in the same stitch and then 2 double crochets in 2 individual stitches. So since I did 2, the next 2 stitches is going to be 1 double crochet, then 1 double crochet, and then and so on and so forth. By the time we get here, I should be left with 1 double crochet and another one single double crochet. So I'll meet you guys again at the end. I'm at the end, so I have 3 stitches left. So in the next one I'm going to place 2 double crochets in the same stitch, and then 1 double crochet in the next, and then 1 double crochet in the next, and then slip stitch, and then chain 2. For the next row, in the first stitch you're going to place 2 double crochets, and then what you're going to do is count 1, 2, 3. In those 3 stitches you're going to be placing a double crochet, single double crochet. So in the first stitch, that's 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, that's 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, 1 double crochet as well. And then in the next stitch over here, you're going to place 2 double crochets in the same stitch. And then you're going to count 1, 2, 3. That's where you're going to be placing single double crochets. So first one, that's my first double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet, and then in the next one you're going to make an increase, which is placing 2 double crochets in the same stitch. And then in the next you're going to go 1, 2, 3, place single double crochets, and then 2 double crochets in the same stitch. So the pattern is the same. You're just going to repeat what I told you. When you get here, you're going to be left with 1, 2, 3. That's where you're going to be placing the 3 single double crochets. So I'll meet you guys once I'm at the end of the row. Okay, so this is my circle. You see when you put it down, it lays down flat. So for the last row, it's gonna change for a bit because I don't want to increase a bit more. If you want to increase, feel free to do so. So it's gonna be 2 double crochets and then 4, 2 double crochets and then 4, and so on and so forth until you get here, and then slip stitch. Guys, I'm gonna do this off camera because I'm trying to minimize the length of this video. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing off camera, and I'll meet you guys at the end. But from here onwards, the pattern is very simple. It's just a repeat. So yeah, I'll meet you guys once I'm at the end. So here I'm going to increase, here I'm going to increase, and then slip stitch, and then I'll see you guys now. End of row 6. So now in the first stitch, we're gonna slip stitch, and then you're gonna chain 2. From here onwards, guys, it's gonna be rounds and rounds and rounds and rounds and rounds. Okay, so literally rounds and rounds of no increases. So I'm gonna tell you guys from here onwards how many rows I did, and yeah. So in the first stitch, you're just gonna be placing a double crochet. Literally a double crochet, 1 double crochet in each and every single stitch all around until you get your desired length. So from here, your beanie, your hat, is going to become longer and longer and longer. So yeah, I'll literally write down how many rows you need to do on the screen, and I will literally meet you guys at the end of the video. So yeah, toodles and happy crochet. Okay y'all, so I am done with my hat, and I did a total of 25 rows. If you want to make it longer, you can do 30 rows. So I did 25, and that's how my hat looks. It is a bit stretched out because I did try it on. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Bye guys.